thinking small, you will have to think big. It means that if the person is suffering medically, the chances are that he or she is suffering medically because the attitude is wrong, the attitude is small. The moment दिमाग में ये एटीट्यूड आ जाएगा कि बस बहुत हो चुका, अब मुझे ये बीमारी से निकलना है, ऑटोमेटिकली she will start seeing a lot of energies that will show that now the person will come out of the problem. Okay, sometimes we ourselves curse ourselves कि छोड़ो, मरो तो अच्छा है, मैं मर जाऊं तो अच्छा है, and then we start thinking, overthinking continuously, and we think so much negative for ourselves that we actually attract a lot of diseases or sickness or illness or sufferings or whatever, and then we continuously start going down the ladder. The moment we take control of our life, the moment we start saying no, ab bahut ho chuka natak, I want to come out of my problem, you will start seeing that you get the right doctor. If the doctor is the same, his attitude will change in one night. Instead of thinking of putting you into more torture, he will stop and start putting you into more comfort. Everybody around you will make you comfortable. Everybody will see to it that you are healthy, happy, on your feet and running. The attitude has to change. Okay, when I was 16-17, I met with an accident, and I was cycling to my friend's place, and the person did not see me, or I did not see the car. I don't know what happened, and we both collided. We both bashed into each other, and I flew maybe toppled 3-4 feet up in the air, and I landed, and I don't know how I landed, but I got my I got a fracture here, just a hairline fracture, and I was when I was down, I was dizzy, and I was just going to go into my I was just going to go, and this driver, the uncle, because I was very young at that point of time, the uncle, he came, he ran out of his car. Everybody was looking at me while I was falling down, and he just spoke just one word. While I was just entering into that no man's land, he said control, and somehow my subconscious mind just grabbed just that one word, and he said control. And you will not believe, I controlled my sensories or whatever. So the attitude changed, that I'm not a victim, that I'm not going to go into any of the idiotic places where I don't want to. Yeah, I just controlled. I just closed my eyes and I opened it, and I was standing. Yes, I had a fracture, but I was in control. I took a few breaths. I went to my friend's place. Khatam. Then I went back home, or my parents came and picked me up. They took me to the hospital. Kuch nahi hua tha, just a hairline fracture. But if I would have just left my senses, I don't know what would have happened. Yeah, because my parents were in their office. Anything could have happened. Emergency ho jata tha. But instead, so at every point of time when I lose my control, or I just I just remember the real word control. The moment I remember or tell myself control means I have to control, period. That's it. नाटक नहीं चाहिए लाइफ में. If you start talking to yourself like this, ये कभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा त्रास हो रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, control. Shut up. Delete all the bullshit. Delete the drama. No drama. And drama is not the reality. The reality is that you are in control. You are the boss. You are everything. And you have the control of your life. Everybody's life has problems. The moment you lose control, the problems is going to take over you. The moment you allow the problems to take over you, you are going to be eaten up by the vultures. That is the problem. Anybody and everybody will come and eat you up. एक pimple will eat you up. एक छोटा सा कुछ भी, you know. Children just, you know, people just start sneezing with a small dust. Oh, hello. Come on. So the moment you lose your control, the moment you allow other people to eat on you or become a victim, you will become a victim. Take my word for it. The moment you say control, and it has to come from within. The moment it comes from within, you will be in control, and take my word for it, you will be a different reality. The moment you start realizing that, okay, my husband wants to give me a divorce, he has an affair, okay, he has 1,000 affairs, okay, and you've come to understand, okay, so now what? Hello, you are a wife. 1,000 girls are not a wife. You are in control. Come on. Wake up. Start behaving like a wife. Be in control. You are a legal person. So do whatever it takes to see to it that your husband behaves. Simple. Sorry, husbands. Okay, so husband के लिए. Okay, so now husband के लिए, when you see that your wives are not behaving well with your parents, she's misbehaving, remember, she also has parents. So you will have to talk to her शांति से बिठा के भाई, you respect my parents, I respect your parents. We both love and respect each other's parents, and we will be not tolerating any misbehavior from each other. Yeah? Control. The moment you start saying control to yourself, that I am in control of my life, I will just have to understand how do I act? What do I do? Just close your eyes and ask God, God, what do I do? And I will tell you, He will give you the best answer. You will get the best answer how to take control of whatever given situation. Yeah? So please, God is your savior, God is your love, God is your life. Please continuously talk to Him, her, whoever you think He is. They are always there to help you 24/7, forever and ever. Atma Namaste.